Understanding in decline, a guide to this common English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that you might come across in news articles, literature, or even in conversations. The phrase is in decline. Understanding these two simple words put together can give you a great insight into discussions about various topics ranging from economics to the natural world. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your own communication. When we say something is in decline, we're talking about a process or state where something is decreasing in quality, quantity, power, or importance. It's not just about getting smaller in numbers. It's also about going downwards in terms of value or strength. Think about the autumn leaves. They were once green and vibrant, but as autumn progresses, they turn brown and fall. They're in decline. It can refer to physical things as well as abstract concepts like influence or health. Now that we know what in decline means, let's see how to use it correctly. This phrase is quite versatile. 1. Describing economic and social trends. 2. The country's economy is in decline. 3. The population of bees is in decline due to environmental changes. 4. Talking about health or abilities. 5. The athlete's performance has been in decline since the injury. 6. Sadly, the patient's health is in decline. 7. Referring to morals and values. 8. Many believe that moral standards are in decline these days. The phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. Let's put in decline into full sentences to get a clearer picture. Economic context. The manufacturing sector has been in decline for several years, leading to job losses. Environmental context. Coral reefs are in decline due to climate change and pollution. Personal context. After years of heavy competition, the tennis star's ranking is in decline. These examples show how in decline can paint a picture of reduction or deterioration in various contexts. To vary your language, you can use synonyms. Here are a few: decreasing, deteriorating, waning, fading, weakening. These words can often be used interchangeably with in decline, depending on the context. And that's a wrap on in decline. It's a phrase that can add depth to your descriptions of processes that are reducing or worsening. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you master is a step forward. I hope this video has helped you understand in decline, and you feel confident using it in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve every day.